I just did a trip down to Panama City. It was about 5.5 hours or so here. I went to Raleigh. I had a great time. I went with my friend Smooth. And again, I'm going to show you this bag right here that I put on my Road Glide. And I'll tell you, it was fantastic. So I'm just going to show you the quick setup right here. 2022 Road Glide Limited. And again, I had a passenger, I had the bag, and I really enjoy the bag. You can see it here. It's from Nelson's Rigg. And one thing that I like about this, which a lot of guys would say something such as, hey, you have bags, you have a trunk, put everything in there, is that typically I have things in here. Like I have a first aid kit, I have my sweater, things like that. I had a couple different tools and things like that. Again, I have a full-size helmet in here. So there's a couple things that I already have designed in here. And it's kind of nice to be able to put the pack right here and be able to get there and remove it, and you have all your clothes in there. So before, I'm going to give you kind of like a, you know, like a walk around right here so you could get an idea how it looks. And I tell you, about 10 hours, 11 hours, maybe 12 hours in the motorcycle, and it was just fantastic, right? Just in the way over there was about 5.5 hours, and then obviously in the way back. So the way that it clips is simple. You have this belt buckles right here, as you could tell. They go around the carry luggage right here, and then you put them together, and then you get the excess strap, and you kind of go like this and stick it in there, right? So you're gonna have one here, you're gonna have one right there, and obviously you're gonna have one here in the front and the other side. Just gonna move it just so you can see this thing is not going nowhere, right? So you have a front pocket right here, which I actually got the raining equipment, or the raining cover. You can see the raining cover here, which actually covers the bag, and it goes through the belt loop, so it's not gonna fly away. And then you have this front pocket right there. You could kind of see Nelson's Rigg Route 1, which by the way, they have different kind of bags. So not only this one, they have all kind of different ones. They have one that is smaller than this one. They have a couple older designs, so look through the designs. Maybe this is not good for you, but there's another one out there that you may find beneficial. Obviously you have the side pocket right here. You kind of open it up, kind of give you a look in the inside right there. And as you can see, it has this handle as well. You have this little wrap, as you can see, all these wraps around here. I think it kind of illuminates a little bit at nighttime. You're also going to have a handle right here, which was actually kind of beneficial because I was holding it right here, and then the other side somebody else can hold it, and you could kind of share the weight, right? You have one back here, you could carry this just as a regular luggage. Now the bag actually expand. There is a capacity increase right here. Like if I go, as you can see, I'm opening this up, and as I open it up, I went all the way around, and as you can see now, the capacity is going to expand right there, right? So if you have a lot of clothes, again, this is perfect. For the weekend that I took, it was great. And in fact, I actually brought, you know, stuff to go to the pool, stuff to go to the beach, and all that stuff. I mean, we have more than enough space for 2 people. The capacity is really good. So I'm going to open it up. But before I do that, if you could tell right there, you could actually put a lock. So you could actually lock this bag. We're going to open it up. And this is kind of how it looks in the inside. I still haven't unpacked my clothes, but I wanted to give you a real look on how it looks. Obviously, this right here, you have this match zipper right there, so you can actually open this up. I put some of my underwear, socks, and things like that in there. Now, this cover right here is a little bit hard, so it's not really soft. As you can tell, it doesn't really move or anything. It's actually a semi-hard kind of cover. And then when you open it up, you can kind of see it's a little bit lighter in the inside, which is good because it gives you a little bit of visibility, right? And the side, you have another pocket right here. Obviously, you know, organize your bag as you want to, and you have another one right there. But look how much space we have in here. I mean, this thing is really good. So again, I took this bag in a weekend trip, and I'll tell you, it was more than enough.